Jai Hind friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll discuss about series and progression. Okay, this is a very important topic for the any competitive exam, but as well as it is also important for the ACC aspirants. Okay, so before going to start this series and progression series, I'm just going to tell you one thing. If anyone want any personal assistance or ACC notes or online classes about the ACC examination, or they have any kind of queries like on ACC examination, they can just contact on this number. Okay, for the ACC written examination, they can just contact on this number. You will surely get help from my side. Okay, so you are free to contact on this number. Basically the student who are preparing for the 1 to 5, they can contact on this number because you have lots of time in your hand, and if you are preparing for ACC 1 to 5, so it is good to know the thing for the written examination, exactly what are the things here. Okay, if anyone want notes, so they can also contact on this number, on the given number. Okay, so without wasting your time, we are just going to start the portion. Okay, so firstly I'm just going to write there are the lots of type of series, and we'll discuss uh, basically each question from every portion. Okay. Okay, so first one is prime number series. Okay, prime number series. So if you get the question like find the next term from this series. Okay, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, thereafter question mark. Okay, so here what we see, 7 is the prime number, 11 is prime number, 13, 17, 19 is the prime number. So definitely what the next term will be the prime number. So next prime number will be 23. Okay, so answer is 23. Okay, example number. So the next question is uh, 3 comma 7 comma 17 comma 31, thereafter question mark. So what is the next term? Okay, so this is also a prime number series. Okay, so 3, thereafter the prime number is what, 5, thereafter 7, thereafter 11, 13, thereafter 17. Okay, so firstly we skip 1, thereafter we skip 2, thereafter we'll skip 3. The 3 3 is what, 19, thereafter 23, thereafter 29. Okay, so term is 31, and for the final missing term we skip 4. 4 is 37, 41, 43, and 47. Thereafter term is what, 53. So the missing term is 53. Answer is 53. Okay, so the here answer is 53. Okay, so addition series, in what we'll do in the addition series and how the questions are for the addition series. For the addition series, like here is question is 6 question mark, thereafter 21, thereafter 33, thereafter 48. Okay, sometimes it is hard to find the question from the beginning, so we'll find out from the last one. Okay, so what is difference between 33 and 48? There is a difference of 15. What is difference between 21 and 13? There is a difference of 12. So what is the difference? Like here is a series of plus 3. Okay, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, so here is a what, here a series will be plus 9. Okay, and for this here is a series of 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So missing series is 12. Okay, so we will go for the different series. Here is a third one. Third one is a different series. So what we'll do in the different series? Okay, so I'll write the question 125 comma 80 comma 45, thereafter question mark, thereafter 5. Okay, so we have to find this question mark one. Okay, so what is the difference? 25 minus 80 is a difference of 45. 80 minus 45 is a difference of 35. Okay, so for the next it will be minus 25, and for the last one probably the series will be minus 15. Okay, so if this is a minus 25, so answer will be what, 20. And if you want to recheck this one, so minus 15 is equal to 5, so missing term is 20. Okay, so the answer will be 20. Okay, thereafter multiplication series. Okay, multiplication series. So how we have to solve this? For the multiplication series, we have question 4, 12, 36, and thereafter question mark. Okay, so in the multiplication, what we have to do, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36, and 36 into 3 is our answer is 108. Okay, okay, thereafter the second example for the multiplication series, 12 into 12 comma 24 comma 72 comma 144 comma 432, thereafter question mark. Okay, from 12 to 24 is what is the multiplication of 2. From 24 to 72, this is a multiplication of 3. 72 to 144, it is a multiplication of 2. Thereafter into 3, it is a multiplication of 3. Thereafter 432 into 2 is what is 864. So our answer is 864. Okay, thereafter the next portion is division series. Okay, for the division series. Okay, so there is a question like 10080 comma 1440, thereafter 240, thereafter question mark. Okay, so how we have to solve this? First one is divisible by 7. If we divide this one by 7, we'll got 1440, and if we divide 1440 by 6, we'll get 240. Okay, if we'll divide 240 by 5, we'll get our answer. Our answer is what? 48. Okay, so the missing term is 48. Okay, thereafter the another example, 432 216 72, thereafter question mark. Okay, for this, if we divide by 2, we'll get the answer 216. If we'll divide 216 by 3, we'll get 72. If we'll divide 72 by 2, we'll get our answer. The missing term is 36. Okay, thereafter a series of n square series. Okay, n square series. So how would we have to solve this n square series? Okay, if we'll get the question like question mark 9 comma 25 comma 49, so the first one will be what? 1 square is equal to 1, thereafter 3 square is equal to 9, thereafter 5 square is equal to 25, thereafter 7 square is equal to 49. Okay, I'll give you one more example, 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25. Okay, find the missing term. So here 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 9 square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9, thereafter 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is 25, thereafter 6 square is 36. So our answer will be what? 36. Okay, 5 square, 4 square, 3 square, 2 square. Okay, so thereafter we'll go for the next one. Next one is the n square plus 1 series. Okay, so the questions are like 10 comma 17 comma 26 comma 37. Okay, so this is very simple. I'll just tell you firstly, like it is n square plus 1 series, like 3 square plus 1 is 10, thereafter 4 square plus 1 is 17, thereafter 5 square plus 1 is 26, thereafter 6 square plus 1 is 37, thereafter 7 square means 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Okay, answer will be 50. Thereafter another example, 122 comma 145 comma 170 comma 197, thereafter the what will the next term? Okay, so like it is a square of 11 square plus 1, thereafter the second one is 12 square plus 1, thereafter 13 square plus 1, thereafter 14 square plus 1, and thereafter 15 square plus 1. So here is 226. Our missing term is 226. Okay, thereafter the next type of series, n square minus 1 series. Okay, so what we have to do in this n square minus 1 series, in this if its term is obtained by subtraction of 1 from square of a number, then the series is called n square minus 1 series. Like it is a n square plus 1 series, it is just opposite of n square minus 1 series. Okay, like if we'll get example of 120. Okay, so what is the next series? It is square of 11 square plus 11 square minus 1 is like 121, minus 1 is what, 120. Thereafter, what will the next term? Next term is like 12 square minus 1. 12 square is 144, minus 1 is 143. Okay, so thereafter the questions are like 0 comma 3 comma 8 comma 15 comma 24. Okay, find the missing term. Okay, so here is 1 square minus 1 is 0, 2 square minus 1 is 3, thereafter 3 square minus 1 is 8, thereafter 4 square minus 1 is 15, thereafter 5 square minus 1 is 25, thereafter 6 square minus 1 is 35. Okay, so the missing term is 35. So the next one is n square plus n series. Okay, so the question are 12, 20, 30, 42, thereafter the missing term. Okay, so previously I just said n square plus 1. So what will the 3 square plus 3 is 12. Thereafter 4 square plus 4 is 20. 5 square plus 5 is 30. 6 square plus 6 is 42. 7 square plus 7 is 55. So the our missing term is 56. So the our missing term is 56. Okay. Thereafter the series n square minus n series. So the basic thing is what? While doing the series one, you have to open your mind, okay, and open your thoughts. So definitely you will solve all the questions from the non-verbal or verbal portion. Okay. So this is the same thing, n square minus n, and like previously I just give you the example like series are 42 comma 30, thereafter question mark. So what will be the answers? 7 square minus 7 is 42, thereafter 6 square minus 6 is 30, thereafter 5 square minus 5 is 20. Okay, so the answer will be 20. Thereafter n cube series. Okay, so I'll just give you the example for the n cube series. 1 comma 8 comma 27. These are the basic common series which will get in your examination. This type of question they will definitely ask. So here is a 1 cube, thereafter 2 cube, thereafter 3 cube, thereafter 4 cube. Okay, 4 cube. So the answer will be 64. So your answer will be 64. Okay. Thereafter the next series is n3 plus 1 series. n3 plus 1 series. Okay, here is a 126, 217, 344, thereafter question mark. Okay, for this we'll just definitely know that it is a series of 5 cube plus 1, thereafter 6 cube plus 1, thereafter 7 cube plus 1, and thereafter 8 cube plus 1 will be our answer. So our answer will be 513. Okay, 8 cube plus 1. Thereafter the another one is n3 minus 1 series. So it is a like same as that previous one, 0 comma 7 comma 26 comma 63, thereafter question mark. Thereafter how we have to solve, 1 cube minus 1 is 0, thereafter 2 cube minus 1 is 7, thereafter 3 cube minus 1 is 26, thereafter 4 cube minus 1 is 64, thereafter 5 cube minus 1 will be your answer. Okay, so thereafter the next series will be n3 plus n series. Okay, for n3 plus 1 series, so here's the example are like 2, 10, thereafter 30, thereafter question mark. Okay, so here's the n3 plus n series. For this, 1 cube plus 1 is 2, thereafter 2 cube plus 2 is 10, thereafter 3 cube plus 3 is 30, thereafter 4 cube plus 4 is 68. So your answer will be 68. Okay, therefore the another example another portion is like n3 minus n series, and this will be the similar of that n3 minus n series. So while doing series, like previously I just told you, just open your mind. So the questions are 0, 6 comma 24 comma 60 and 120, And one more thing, if you have any queries and doubts regarding this, just contact on my WhatsApp number, or you can just comment on the video. Okay, thereafter the another series is 3 square 3. So finally we have series of 6 3, 6 cube minus 6, so answer will be 210. Okay, so thereafter the next portion will be thereafter the alternating series. Okay, it is important because definitely they will ask question from this alternating series. Okay, so what we have to do in the alternating series, in alternating series, the successive term increase and decrease alternatively. Okay, so alternating series is a combination of two different series, two different operations performed on successive term alternatively. Okay, so your examples are here. Examples are like 15 comma 14 comma 19 comma 11 comma 23 comma 8. Okay, so find out the missing term. So how we will have to find, so this is the alternative type series. So here is a difference 15 19 23, and here is a main series. Okay, so you have to focus for the main series, don't waste your time while doing this one. Okay, but for the example I'm going to just tell you. Okay, here's a like series of plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 plus 4 is 23, so 23 plus 4 is our missing term, so our missing term is 27. And here is a series of 14 minus 3 is 11, 11 minus 3 is minus 8. Sometimes they will give you two question marks, so the answer will be what? So answer will be 5. If will they just give you one more blank over there. Okay, sometimes they will give one blank, so you have to just give one answer. But if they will give you two blanks, so you have to put both the series answer. Okay, if they will give the series like question mark here, so you have to put 5 over there. Okay, so I'm just going to give you some examples. Okay, to find the missing term type of question they will ask. Okay, they will give you a question like 12 comma 24 comma 72 comma 144. We will discuss this previously. Okay, and thereafter they will give questions like 7 comma 8 comma 18 comma question mark comma 232. Okay, so try to solve this and comment this on my comment section. Okay, what is the missing term here? Thereafter find the wrong term. They will give this is also important. Many times they will give question from the find the wrong term. Okay, how to find the wrong term? Find the wrong term. Okay, so the questions are like, I'll give you one example: 850 comma 600 comma 550 comma 475. Okay, so how you find? So find one thing. Here's the difference of 100. Here is the difference of how much? Thereafter 550, 500, 475. Okay, so here is the difference of 200. Here is the difference of 50. Here is the difference of again 50. Here is the difference of 25. So this is the wrong term. Okay, because this is a difference of, there is a difference of 100. Okay, so this will be the wrong term, like 850 minus 200 is equal to 600. Okay, but sorry, I will repeat these questions once again, because 850 minus 600, so here we'll get the difference of 250. Okay, but thereafter here's a difference of 50. Thereafter here's a difference of again 50, and there is a difference of 25. So order is what? 25, 50. So there should be a difference of 100. So this will be an wrong answer. Okay, so what will the correct will be? There is a difference of 200, so this will be of 650, and if here is a difference of 100, then the series will be correct. So the wrong term is 600. Okay, thereafter the second one probability is what? So the second one is find the missing series based on the given series. Okay, so here you will get what? 16 comma 67, comma 120, comma 175, thereafter 238, thereafter 291. Okay, so how will you just find 16, 67, 120, 175, thereafter 238, thereafter 291. So here's a what if there is a difference of 51, thereafter the difference is 53, means increasing of plus 2. Okay, so here is a difference of 55, again increment of 2, and here is what, here is 238. So this is missing because here the difference will be 57. Okay, so the perfect term is 232. Okay, this type of question they will ask. Okay, sometimes they will ask question from the AP and GP. I will just discuss the things over here. So arithmetic progression, I'll just write some formulas and some examples. Okay, for the arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the formula for nth term? Okay, so formula for nth term is a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, thereafter sum of n terms. Okay, for the sum is s suffix n by 2, 2a plus, okay, I'll write here separately, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. They will ask questions from the simple formula based. Okay, sum of n terms. Okay, so here the formula is n by 2, a plus 1, where 1 is the last term. 1 equals to what? Last term. Okay, so we'll discuss about the question on the progression. There is a series of 359, 359, comma 365, comma 371. So thereafter what will be the 10th term? They will ask about the 10th term. So the formula on the given question. So the nth term is 10. So a is what? A is equal to 359. Thereafter d, what is the difference? D means difference. Difference is 6. Here's a difference between them are 6. Okay, so d is 6 while applying the formula. So for the 10th term, the formula will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a? A is 359 plus n term is t minus, sorry, n, and n term is 10th. Okay, thereafter minus 1 into 6, d is 6. So 359 plus 9 into 6. So here total 413. Answer will be 413. Okay, so if you these are the questions from series and progression. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and if you have any kind of query, please comment on the comment section, and please don't forget to like the video, because sometime you're watching the video but you can't like. So if you like my video, then it will boost my energy into 4. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe my channel. And previously I just told you about if anyone want any kind of notes regarding ACC, so just contact on this number. And if anyone want personal assistance for the SSB, they can just contact on this number. Okay, we have just started our new batch for the SSB capsule, so contact on this number. We will provide you all details. So thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.